Hello, my name is Joshua Nonhoff. In this video I'm going to be going over how to set up Clan tools to grant codes by uploading replays. To do this I'll primarily be using the matches system, though I will also be covering some related points as well. By the end of this video I want to have the ability to have a code created for an event that can be handed out and then have uploaded replays give out that same code. Additionally I want to give clan members who win the actual battle a small bonus. While this is an exact goal, what I'm doing can likely be adapted to fit your clan's needs. First I'm going to be creating a code type, as it will be needed for the match type I'll be creating later. Most of the settings don't matter, though it's important that once per day is unchecked, as code types which are set to once per day can't be associated with match types. With the code type created, the next step is to create a new match via the match types page. I'll need to give it a name and select the code type I created earlier. I'm also going to check issue codes via replays so that when a replay is uploaded, the players in the battle automatically get the code if they didn't remember to enter it. Scrolling down a bit, I'm not going to require a replay to create the match because I want to create a match before the battle starts. For the allowed replay types, I'm going to be selecting Tournament, as that's what the Clan Wars tournaments are considered. The rest of the settings are fine, so I'm going to create the match type. At this point I have a match type which I can create matches for. When I create a match, it will also create a code of the code type set, which can be given out in the battle chat in game. When I upload a replay to the match, the clan members in the replay will automatically be given the code as well. There's a problem though. I want to give those players who played in the battle a little additional gold to help offset the cost of playing in the battle. However, as it stands, I can't tell who played in the battle and who was just available for it. There's a few ways to solve this issue, but the easiest solution is via something called the replay reward rules. To use this, I made a new code type which is just for giving the bonus to the players who participated in the actual tournament battles. Most of the settings don't really matter, as the code type isn't going to be entered anywhere. I did, however, go into the advanced settings and mark the code type as hidden, as it doesn't need to be created. On the edit page for this code type, if I scroll down to the replay reward rules and show this section, you'll note there's two different types of replay reward rules. The one we care about today is the one for matches, so I'll show that one and add a rule. As you can see, there's some filtering options which limit what this applies to, but in my case all I care about is the required match type setting, which I'll set to the match type I created earlier in this video. The help text here covers the details of how the code type payouts are applied to the replay reward rules. But basically everything is the same, except instead of codes entered, it's counting the number of battles a player appeared in which meet the criteria. With this done, I've reached my end goal. However, there may seem to be a missing piece of the puzzle depending on the needs of your clan: how to grant once per day code types with replays. This can be accomplished via the code types links, which allow codes of a given code type to automatically grant other codes of linked code types. Thus, if I wanted to automatically give players who entered a clan tournament code an attendance code, I could edit the clan tournament's code type to link to the attendance code type. This concludes this video.